Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today we are on the west side of Phoenix in Glendale, Arizona, and we will be touring one of Hovnanian's newest community, guys, and that is called the Ambra community, okay? So stay tuned. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Kamusta Kababayans. I am Kuya Oscar, and if you are brand new to my channel, guys, I go around all the brand new construction communities here in the greater Phoenix area. I tour their model homes as well as their move-in ready homes. I also do area tours so you can see firsthand on how that area looks like, guys. So do me a favor, if you like what you see, definitely hit that like, subscribe, and notification button so you can stay up to date with all the new communities here in Arizona. So today, again, we are on the west side of Phoenix, guys, and Hovnanian just opened up one of their newest communities called the Ambra. It is absolutely gorgeous, guys. It is a combination of both single-story homes and also single-level homes. And today, we will be touring one of their single-level homes called the Orinoco floor plan. Okay, the Orinoco floor plan, guys, you're looking at about a 5-bedroom, 3-bath, 2-car garage, guys. It's about 2,082 square feet. So I'm definitely excited to show you guys. Stick around to the end of this video. I'll be walking around the community. We'll discuss about the HOA, what that offers. We'll also talk about proximity to, entertainment, and all that good stuff, guys. So stick around to the end of the video for that, okay? With that being said, let's get this video started right now. Absolutely beautiful day today, guys. Here is the Orinoco floor plan. I'll go ahead and put up the different kinds of elevations, but there are 4 different elevations that you can choose from with the floor plan. So again, this is 5 bedrooms. The first bedroom, as you walk into the foyer area, there is this bedroom right off to the right-hand side. Okay. This door leads to the garage. So you have a 2-car garage here with a utility door. So what's nice is, sometimes with new construction home, this is an upgrade, but this is what's standard in their builds. They have a water softener attachment right here, okay, which, if you do move to Arizona, it is recommended to get a water softener. It just feels better all on your skin, makes your hair feel better too. So water softener attachment is clutch. So here's the foyer area, and as you can see, it widens, which is really nice because it doesn't make the hallway feel tight. But the spacing between wall to wall here is actually fairly comfortable, guys. It's not, too tight as well. So this is the room that we just came out of. There is a full bath here as well. So here's the full bath. Here is our coat closet as well. So walking through the foyer, you have another bedroom. I always love walking through these model homes because they always do such a great job in staging. So if you do decide to buy this Orinoco floor plan, you could see how you could stage or what could fit in here, right? Off to the left-hand side, you have your laundry. with another full-size bathroom. And you have 2 bedrooms side by side. Spacious closet, guys. You're looking at about 10 by 10 in this bedroom. That first bedroom that we walked into, that one was fairly big. I believe that one was about a 10 by 12. It could be bigger, but it's definitely bigger than this room and the other 2 rooms that we just went through. So this flooring is definitely an upgrade, guys. As you can see, it's like this nice tile flooring. I really love the tile flooring, guys, because, you know, it is waterproof, scratch resistant, you know, so it is just easier to maintain as well. So that's really nice. Here is the kitchen, guys. Very open kitchen. You have 42-inch uppers. A lot of storage space. Okay, what's really nice too about this floor plan, you do have vaulted ceilings, so you know it makes the space even larger, right? Here's a pantry. It's kind of stuck.
What it is, that's the chat. It's an negotiation, what it is fast.
You have your dining area just right off of the kitchen. As you can see, you can fit a really good sized table here. This one seats 8, so that kind of gives you a kind of sense of like how big of a table you could put there.
Idle. Then the customer swung from the wall in one for the debate. As one of the AC new yet, and someone is right.
There's the main living area, open to the kitchen, so that's really nice. You know, you could have, we have guests over, easy for interaction, guys, you know, and that's what all these new builds are doing, right? So it's all that open concept feel, no closed off walls, right? So that's really nice. Here's the primary bedroom, and the primary bedroom is right off of the main living area. So just to recap, okay, so you have that those 2 bedrooms right when you enter, or that 1 bedroom right when you enter from the front door there. As you continue down the foyer, you have that dinosaur room, and just right across you have the laundry room with the 2 other bedrooms side by side. Your kitchen, dining, your main living, and so your primary is in its own private area here, which is really nice. Really nicely well spaced. This is a king size bed, and they have 2 nice side dressers there. So as you can see, there's still a little bit more space there to even get a larger one if you need to, but it kind of gives you a sense of scaling on, you know, what could fit there. So that's really good. Here is your primary closet. And your primary bath. Love the tiling to make shows here. Go take a look outside. So you have this nice covered deck area here for year-round entertainment, guys. Now with landscaping is not included. So usually when new construction homes here in Arizona, it's usually bare. So this is kind of a good sense of an idea of what you can do to the backyard. They have some rock just around the perimeter of the turf here, so that's really nice. Very easy to maintain backyard. put a little nice dining set there with some chairs. So what do you guys think about this floor plan? Pretty straightforward. Again, this is one of their few single-story homes that they have. Okay, but that's pretty much it, guys. Hey guys, okay, so we are done with the home tour, but I wanted to drive around the community so you could see the community. Very nice, okay? Again, it is a combination of 2-story and 1-story home, but let's go ahead and drive around. So I just spoke with the sales associate, and she said that there's actually 2-story homes that is available. One is in drywall right now, and I believe it is this one right here. Basketball court there. You got some tot lots that's shaded, so that's nice, because in the summertime you will get cooked, or your kids will. Here in this community, they have 5 different floor plans, and as I had mentioned, it is both 2-story and 1-story home. The only 2-story home that they have is called the Thames. Okay, Thames. I hope I didn't butcher that. You're looking at about 4-bedroom, 3-bath. It has a den and a loft, so that's really nice, guys. But everything else is a 1-story home, and I'll go ahead and I'll share that on the screen so you guys can see the different floor plans that they have, and also, you know, how many bed and bath and square footage that they have. So I'll go ahead and I'll share that on the screen for you guys, okay? So the HOA here, guys, is about $96 a month. This is a gated community, so it covers the gated community, the common areas, half courts, guys, and also the tot lots, okay? As far as the average lot size, so as you saw that there was a combination of both single-story homes and also some 2-story homes too, okay? Now, the average lot size, regardless of, you know, whether it being single story or two story, you're looking at about 4,900 square feet, okay? If you decide to build from the ground up, okay, so there's a lot of lots, very still early stages in this community, guys. So if you decide to build from the lot up, it is a 6-month build out, okay? Now, there are some move-in ready homes, guys. So, but if you decide to go with a personalized home, the building from the lot up, you are looking at about a 6-month build out time, okay? So as far as upgrade spend, so options that you could choose from, the buyers here are spending about $20,000 to $30,000 in options. Okay, now obviously that will vary between each buyer. I mean, some buyers, you know, you could stay closer to the sales price or closer to the base price, or, you know, if you really like, you know, the design, you know, people spend between $20,000 to $30,000 on average. So it could definitely be below or even more realistically, okay, guys, but that's just an average. As far as the lot premiums here, and the lot premiums, that dictates, you know, what lot you choose, right? So a corner lot, guys, or a lot that, you know, has no neighbors in the back, that will be a higher lot premium than the one that is in between two houses, right? So the lot premiums here can go between $0 up to $20,000 in lot premium, okay? As far as the elevation, so each house, each floor plan, guys, it has 4 different elevations, and depending on the elevation, that also has, you know, a price. So it could be between $0 to $10,000. So usually standard, you know, a new construction builder will have the base price, and depending on the elevation that you choose, that's already incorporated within that base price. And then you have your options, and then you also have the lot premiums. With Hovnanian, they have the base price, and depending on the elevation that you choose from, again, there's 4, you have to also consider that, also consider the upgrade spent, and also consider the lot premium, okay? So there's 4 with Hovnanians, okay? With Hovnanian Homes. So that's pretty much it, guys. So as far as location wise, all right, location wise, as to Phoenix proper itself, so let's say if you wanted to catch a Suns game or a Diamondbacks game, okay, which I just came from, it's really fun, guys. You're looking at about 30 minutes to Phoenix proper itself, okay? So if you want to go check out Phoenix, a lot of great restaurants there, a lot of entertainment there as well. You're looking about 30 minutes to Phoenix proper, and also Phoenix Sky Harbor International Airport, which is the main airport here in Phoenix, Arizona, okay? What's really awesome about Glendale too, guys, you know, as far as what's there to do here, Glendale, you also have the Cardinal Stadium. So the Cardinal Stadium is the State Farm Stadium, is also in Glendale, and literally it's like 10 minutes away from this neighborhood, guys, okay? Also really cool about Glendale and what they are building is they're building the first Mattel Adventure Park here in Glendale, as well as a kind of resort style, which will have a man-made beach to, I think it's called the VAO Resort. They will have numerous restaurants there, guys. They will also have, you know, concerts there too. It's a really cool outdoor venue, guys, that is being built here in Glendale too. So Glendale is going to be this hub of entertainment once those two are going to be built, okay? So with that being said, I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for always watching my channel. Again, please hit that like, subscribe, and notification. Thank you again, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.